Stepping inside the Alpha Squalo 100, and what a place this is to be. First of all, the amount of space you have over here is quite special. But before we even go to that, what I do want to point out is you have sliding doors on both sides, and these are not your manual doors that you have to physically yank them open. You just tap on them and voila, they just open up. And also, if you think, you know what, I want to have more fresh air that comes in. Obviously, you can lock these to stay open at all times, but what you can also do is, there are buttons here. So voila. Now, look how fast this comes down. Look at this. This is now a proper way to have your alfresco dining on an Alpha Squalo 100. You can have your bartender serve you drinks from outside, pick them up from here, sit down, entertain yourself, entertain your family, anybody you possibly want. Now, because it is quite hot outside, we just push a button, raise it back up from the bar counter. So as we transition out from the helm station, heading to the Flybridge entertainment area, you have a sliding door, so you have a pin that you pull down, and actually this runs really smoothly, so you can leave it whichever position you want. So even when you're on the way, this is not slamming in and out.